Today I'm going to show you how to do a letterbox in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure that your clip is already placed on the timeline. Then navigate to Effects, and from the Effects menu we will need the adjustment clip. Just drag it and drop above our footage. Place it where you want the letterbox to begin. So over here, for example, and extend to match our clip. You can clear up the effects so we have more working space, and let's navigate to the inspector panel. Over here we need to expand the cropping, and top we need to place keyframe as well as bottom. Now move the playhead couple of seconds forward over here and put the value 150 for top and 150 for the bottom. So let's preview it now. And that's how easy it is to do. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.